Hi there, and welcome to the EasyGo China user guide. This short video will help you understand how to use EasyGo China and make the most of your travel experience in China. To begin, tap the EasyGo China icon to launch the app. You will land on the Exploration page, where you will see a collection of featured cities. Slide left or right to browse through them. Prefer a clearer overview? Tap the button at the top to switch to List View. Let us start with Beijing. You will first see a few slides that introduce the unique vibe and cultural highlights of the city. If you'd rather skip the intro, just tap Explore to dive right in. Here you'd find a series of selected self-guided one-day tours, each built around a theme. Inside each tour, you get everything you need: key attractions, travel tips, ticket info, and more. If you've already purchased a tour, tap Start. Once you hit Start, the first stop of your itinerary will appear. Tap below for detailed information and use the red arrow on the right to navigate to your next stop. You can choose your preferred mode of transport, and the map will guide you all the way. Want to explore your favorite spots first? Simply swipe through the top bar and jump to any location. When it's time for lunch, you'll have 3 to 5 hand-picked restaurants to choose from. Each one comes with detailed menus, featuring 5 to 8 local dishes, complete with ingredients, cooking methods, flavor profiles, how to eat them, and any cultural or historical background. Inside scenic spots, you will get step-by-step navigation and rich cultural background along the way. A voice guide is also available. Just tap the audio button to hear it.
The Forbidden City is one of the most secure places in China.
After the main attractions, we have got your tea breaks and coffee time covered too. Like lunch, each coffee shop or tea house comes with a detailed intro. Every day includes carefully selected local spots for coffee, tea, bars, or relaxing hideouts waiting for you to discover. At the end of each day, we will leave you with a written cultural reflection, so you can take in not just what you have seen, but what it all means, giving you a deeper connection to Chinese culture. In the Home section, you will find Editor Recommendation, Current Seasonal Information, and China Starter Pack. Current Seasonal Information is a free travel bulletin with up-to-date info on must-see places, and the China Starter Pack, a practical guide for first-time visitors, covering ticketing, SIM cards, transport payments, and more. Our built-in AI assistant is also super handy. Use it for instant photo translation, text translation, and everyday questions while you travel. And finally, in the Tour tab, you'd find all the trips you've purchased, ready to use anytime. So that is EasyGo China, your all-in-one self-guided travel app, designed to help you experience the real China your way. We can wait to welcome you to China, and we hope you have an unforgettable time exploring.